I've just taken a portrait using my flash gun for the lighting. It's okay, but I know it could be a lot better. If you're serious about getting studio quality portraits, you need studio quality lighting because it gives you the control and flexibility you need for top results. A good own brand flash gun will set you back several £100s, and to take real control of your lighting setups, you'll need two, plus all the accessories that allow you to modify the light. For a similar cost, or even less, you can get Elinchром's D-Lite RX1 kit, and it includes all the accessories and light modifying devices you need to get fantastic results. But using Studio Flash needs a studio, right? Wrong. The Elinchrom RX1 can be set up anywhere, so whether you want to use your front room as your studio space or put your studio in the boot of a car and take it somewhere else, there are no limits. But Studio Flash is really complicated to use, right? Wrong again. Studio Flash is actually really simple. Let's see how easy it is. We'll place one light about 45 degrees from our model. Now this is our key light. We've got the modelling lamp on so we know where our shadows are going to fall, and I'm checking the nose shadow just to make sure it doesn't touch her top lip. That looks good, but with just one light it's a bit moody, and we need to fill in the shadows on the dark side to reduce the contrast. So we'll use our other flash head at a lower power as a fill light. And that's how easy it is. Let's try another shot. Now that's a bit too bright, so to take the exposure down, we'll reduce the flash power using the buttons on the back of the heads. Alternatively, we can use the wireless EL Skyport transmitter and do it remotely. Now this is included in the kit as well. Okay, so let's take another shot. Ah, that's much better. The exposure is spot on and the two lights have produced a great looking result. Compare it to the flash gun version we shot earlier and there's a big difference. Mind you, talking of flash guns, you can still use one with the RX1 system. All you need is an extra EL Skyport receiver to trigger it. Put it behind your model as a hair light and you have a classic 3-light setup. If you're looking to graduate from flash guns to studio flash, take a long hard look at the Elinchrom RX1 kit. It doesn't cost much more than a couple of flash guns and it includes everything you need for top quality studio shots.